How to turn off adaptive charging on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn off adaptive charging on your Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first step is open up your phone's main settings. So locate your settings app and then open it up. After you're on your settings, scroll down and then tap on battery. After you're on your battery, you'll find the adaptive battery option. So you can tap on it. You can turn it off. Now that's adaptive battery. There is a different option for charging. So you will need to go to your battery health, and there you'll find smart charging mode. So that is basically the adaptive battery. There are different names depending on different models. So you can turn this off. And those are the adaptive charging and adaptive battery settings that you'll find on your Android device. And that's how you disable those. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.